go on a trip. Wow, I can't wait! My capsule is out!
Hurry, open it! Wow!
What's this?
Congratulations! You got the grand prize, 4 cruise tickets!
Wow!
Dodo, with these tickets, we can all go on a cruise together.
Awesome! Uncle, what is this place?
This is where we get our travel papers. It's your first trip, so we need to get your ID.
Huh? Oh, wow!
This is a photo booth. We need to take your ID photo first.
I'm ready!
Oh?
Let me see!
Dodo, this isn't how you take ID photos. Sit up nice and straight. No funny faces. And clothes and hair should be neat and tidy.
Uh-huh!
Look at the camera and smile. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! My ID is ready!
Next, let's pack our bags.
Oh? All done packing!
Already?
Yep!
Oh? Suitcases have limited space. Let's bring only what we need.
Okay. Toothbrush, socks, oh, and my hat. Uh-oh, what do I do? It still won't fit.
If we pack neatly, it'll fit.
Whoa! Uncle, you're awesome! Oh no! I didn't pack my Super Cape Man yet!
Oh, the suitcase is already full.
But I want to take Super Cape Man on my trip!
That's it!
Yay! Super Cape Man can travel with me!
Our bags are ready. Now let's go meet Dobie and Papillon.
Yay! Let's go!
Sir! Dodo! Line up over here!
Get your IDs ready.
Okay!
Ready! Huh? Why is this a Super Cape Man card? My ID is gone!
Maybe it's in your suitcase?
It's not in here! What about your backpack? Not here either!
Dodo, think carefully. Where did you last see your ID?
I washed my hands, ate a cupcake, and played with Super Cape Man. Whoa! Super Cape Man! It's here! Yay! Turn around, please. Okay. Raise your arms, please. All checked. Thank you.
Security check done. Time to board the ship.
Wow! The cruise ship is huge! Here we come, cruise ship!
Dodo's growing up diary. I'm going on a trip. Today I learned how to pack my bag. I put my things neatly in my suitcase. And I keep my ID safe, so I won't rush around.
Before you go out, always check your bag. That way, you won't forget anything.
Friends, are you ready to travel with me?